You need to watch this if you struggle with dusty baseboards. Are dusty, scuffed baseboards bringing down the look of your space? I'm here from Bear Brothers Cleaning, and today, I'll show you a simple step-by-step guide to transform your baseboards and give your home that fresh, polished look. Baseboards add a finishing touch to any room but tend to collect dust, dirt, and scuff marks over time. Regular sweeping and mopping just won't cut it. Baseboards need a little extra love. So, let's dive into our tried-and-true methods to make cleaning them easier and more effective. First, gather your supplies. You'll need a vacuum with a brush attachment, a soft-bristled brush, a bucket of warm water, dish soap or white vinegar, a sponge or microfiber cloth, a stiff scrub brush, a melamine sponge, towels or drop cloths, and painter's tape if needed. Having everything in one place will save you time and effort. Step 1. Remove dust and debris. Use your vacuum with the brush attachment to suck up loose dust and dirt. A soft bristled brush can help sweep away any remaining dust from crevices. Step 2. Wipe with soap and water. Mix warm water with a few drops of dish soap or vinegar. Dampen a microfiber cloth and wipe down the baseboards in small sections. Remember, less is more. Avoid using too much water, especially on wood floors. Step 3. Scrub stubborn stains. For those tough scuff marks or built-up grime, make a paste with baking soda and water. Apply it with a scrub brush and gently work out the stains. Follow up with a damp cloth to wipe it clean. Step 4. Buff and shine. Once your baseboards are clean, buff them with a dry microfiber cloth for a polished look. Pro tip: rubbing them with a dryer sheet helps repel dust and pet hair, keeping them cleaner for longer. To keep your baseboards looking pristine, add baseboard cleaning to your monthly routine. Use a dryer sheet after cleaning, be gentle with vacuums, and repair chips or cracks promptly. Don't have time to clean? Let Bear Brothers Cleaning handle it. We offer professional cleaning services to keep your home spotless, so you don't have to worry about the details. Call Bear Brothers Cleaning today for a spotless home. Visit our website or call us at 256-633-6332 for a free quote. Thanks for watching and happy cleaning.